this video, we're going to talk about order of operations. And I'm just going to kind of give you a brief overview in this video because tomorrow in class we're really going to spend some time on it. So the order of operations is a series of steps taken to solve a problem. Now, you can't just do it in any series of steps, you have to follow a specific one. It used to be called PEMDAS, but they've now changed it to GEMDAS. What does GEMDAS stand for? G stands for grouping symbols. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A for addition. And S for subtraction. The order in which you solve something will affect the answer. So if you solve something using GEMDAS and your friend does not, you can get two different answers. Now, there's a little rhyme, or rap actually, that helps you remember the order. And this is how it goes. Parentheses first, exponents next, multiplication and division in the same step, addition and subtraction if you have the nerve from left to right first come, first serve. So if you can remember that little rhyme, it's going to help you remember GEMDAS. So let's look at a couple of examples, and then as I said, we'll really dive into this tomorrow. Example 1, 3 plus 5 times 2. There's nothing up here that you don't know how to do. Now, two ways I can solve it. 3 plus 5, if I do 3 plus 5, that gives me 8, times 2 gives me 16. Okay, so my answer is 16, but I didn't follow the order of operations. Remember, it says multiplication and division in the same step, and it was GEMDAS. Notice that my M for multiplication comes before my A for addition. So let's try this problem again. 5 times 2 gives me 10. 3 plus 10 gives me 13. The answer to my problem is actually 13, not 16, as we originally thought. So let's look at another one. Remember, GEMDAS, it said grouping symbols, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So if I just look at this, and this one, sometimes they do work out okay. 2 squared is 4. Talked about that on the exponents day. And 6 minus 3 is 2. So we get 4 plus 2 is 6. Well, I did my exponents before my grouping symbols, or kind of at the same time. So, and I did it wrong. So we should know first that 6 minus 3 is 3. 2 squared gave us 4. So essentially, it didn't affect us this time. What if my problem had been 2 squared times 6 minus 3? Actually, let's say it this way. 2 squared times 6 minus 3. Now, exponents times 6 gives you 24 minus 3. Well, what if I had done 2 squared times just 6 minus 3? I would have done 4 times 3 and gotten 12, which is nowhere near the correct answer. So, this is how order of operations affects us. We can get 21, or we could have gotten 12. Up here we got 16, or we got 13. So it is very important that you're paying attention to the order of the operations you are solving.